Soon as I get a chance to tell you how I really feel, I write it in the sky to let you know it's really real. But every time I see you, I run out of things to say. She always saying hi and all I come up with is.
I cannot wait to show you how I created this style in less than 10 minutes. Yes, y'all, 10 minutes. All right, so right now my hair is in a wash and go state. This is an old wash and go. The only product I used was a leave-in conditioner. And those of you who watch the channel and have been here for a while know, yes, I used my boo. I love it. This is the Lucent's Moisture Balancing Conditioner, and now I'm going to use this product by Splat. A little bit goes a long way. Like, I've used this probably 2 or 3 times, and as you can see, I haven't even hit pan yet. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of section the hair so I can focus on one section at a time in terms of adding the highlights. I will create a link to this product so that if you're interested, you can also, find it and pick it up for yourself. But essentially, you have the Splat disc, and then you have this thumb piece. And what you do is you kind of hold them together like this. It's almost like a flat iron in that you have the bottom part and then you have the top part, and then the hair is you're gonna run the hair in between these two. So I just pick a small section of clumped curls, and I focus on the last 1.5 inches, 2 inches of hair, and then I lay the hair on the little thumb mitten and then I just press the thumb mitten into the pod, and I just drag it through. And once you've done that, you will have color deposited to the hair. Here, it's easier, I guess, to see it against the black. There you go. Okay, so I like to focus on just the ends. And the reason being that I just think it looks, cuter that way. If you feel like a section has clumped together and it doesn't look really good, all you have to do is just kind of smooth your finger to get it to kind of absorb into the hair better, so then it actually, it looks more natural. If you want more intense color, just go over it a couple of times. See how that brought the color level up really high? So I don't want these highlights to be super bright, so I'm just going over each section like just a couple of times. All right, if you feel like the thumb mitt is causing you to have a little bit more frizz than you would like, then all you have to do is just take it off, and you can use your thumb. The powder from the Splat is not gonna dye your finger. You can easily just sort of wash it to remove it. I always like to make sure that I have some kind of around the face so it frames the face really nicely.
He always saying how I could come up with his hate. I hate to see you go, but love to watch you walk away. Love to watch you walk away. I hate to see you go, but love to watch you walk away.
One of the things I really like about this product, and why I like this opposed to, like, some people will use the sprays and stuff like that. I find the sprays, guys, to just be super drying. Like, even if you're not doing it that often, it just still seems like, you have to go back in and kind of, repair the hair after doing the technique. And I just try to stay away from processes that require me to do that. But another reason I really like this is because, I actually have done highlights on my hair a number of times, like before I went natural. And I had horrible, like, it looked beautiful, but I just had such bad breakage. I just feel like I will never chemically highlight my hair as a natural. I break it down with those, bleaching products and that sort of thing, especially when you can do something like this that, essentially takes about, what, 10 minutes to do, and yields really, really beautiful results. I think I'm gonna go a little closer to the roots up here. Okay, there we go. So yeah, that's the end result. And this is how much product I have left this time. All right, so I have probably another use out of it to do a full head of highlights if I want it. And yeah, so I'm going to turn around really quickly so you can kind of see the back. Now, I don't know what the back looked like because I haven't looked at it in a mirror. I just randomly placed the highlights. But yeah, so this is what we have. And I'll lean in a little bit so you can see the hair a little closer up. So yeah, so those are the results. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, rate, comment, and share this videos with those who you think would benefit. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.